Hi everyone, welcome to a new bullet journal video, a very special one because I am going to show you my 2020 flip through. And as you can see, my journal is all filled up. Before we head into the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And now let's see what I made in 2020. The journal that I used for 2020 is this one by Archer and Olive, and I really like the Archer and Olive journal, so I already bought one for 2021. We are starting off with a picture from my husband and I of our wedding. I love this picture, it is so cute. Then I had my 2020 key. Then the yearly overview. I really like the layout of my yearly overviews. I love the little calendar sections at the top and the personal and work section at the bottom. So I can quickly see an overview of my personal events and work things I have to do. So I can also see how to combine the two. Birthdays are obvious, of course, from friends and family. I'm really bad at reminding birthdays, so this is really handy. And the 2020 things are the books that I've read, movies that I've watched and loved, TV shows and music. And here you see my cheat sheet that I use to make my spreads. Then over here I have some recipe ideas for dinner, lunch, dessert and snacks. I use this page when I need ideas for our weekly menu. Then a morning and an evening routine, and as you can see I didn't even fill out the evening routine. I now made this on my iPad. Especially because my morning routine and evening routine can vary, so I didn't make this one again in my 2021 setup. And here's a page with my 2020 goals. Some of them I have achieved, some of them I have not, but I'm working on it. Cleaning is really important to me, so I have a cleaning routine, things I do daily, weekly, monthly, and try to do yearly. Then my beauty routine is also weekly, bi-weekly, and some things are daily. Now we are starting with the first monthly, and I started in February. I skipped January. I think I was really busy, but this was kind of my fortune teller theme. Oh, I loved this tracker and the gold paint that I used here. It's so cool. I really love the layouts of these. They were so different, but very cohesive at the same time. So cool. On to March, my birthday month. So I had a botanical birthday theme because I love plants and I really love these colors. It is very spring-like. Look at the little doggy. Love it so much. Habit tracker, mood tracker. I think this is one of my favorites that I did this year. I love the colors. And as you can see, I also used my own plant stickers here that are in my shop. For April, I had a pen pal theme, and I think this is such a cool idea to use. When I look back at this, I think maybe I should have picked another pink color because this one is really bright. you can really start to see that I have my own kind of style with the collage borders and stuff. I really like reusing paper and using washi tape and my stickers, of course. On to May. This is also such a cute theme. I did a gardening theme because I made garden stickers or gardening stickers. I think the colors are so cute, and this is definitely one of my favorite mood trackers that I did. For June, I did a travel/adventure theme because we couldn't travel, of course. And I really like the vintage look of this. And I used my travel stickers, of course. And how cool is this vintage map that I used? You can easily find things at the thrift store for such a good price and use it in your bullet journal. For July, I did a seashell/beach theme, and I thought this was so cute. It was so much fun to draw all the shells. This seriously gives me Hawaii and summer vibes. I love it. It's so cute. For August, I did an adventure theme and used stickers by Nicole Josephine. It is so cute, again with the maps and stuff. This image I got from my pen pal Megan. So cool. I also tried out again this circle mood tracker, and I even bought a special kind of ruler for this so I can make that more often. Again, I love the colors, the brown paper with these images that I found on Pinterest. Now we are moving on to September, and this is always one of my favorite themes to create every year, because I always do a Harry Potter theme for September, kind of back to school, back to Hogwarts. And I've used my own stickers that I sell in my Etsy shop. And one of the coolest things that I made in this journal is probably this Dutch door weekly spread. I love how this turned out. I spent a lot of time on this, I'm not gonna lie, but it turned out really cool. You can fold it open like this, or this way. Really cool. Moving on to October, I created a spiritual woman theme with my own magical stickers, and I love this copper metallic paint as well. Tried out a new layout for my calendar overview. I kind of like this because it is quick and easy. And I also tried, or I didn't try out, I went back to one of my old layouts for my habits and mood tracker, and I love seeing my mood in a graph, as you can see here. I really suffer from PMS, so you can see exactly where that happens. This is one of my favorite kind of layouts because you can really see how the habits correspond with my mood. But it is kind of boring to look at. When I create a mood tracker like, let me see, this for example, I think that looks a lot cuter, but maybe I want to try to combine the two some way. If you have any ideas, please share in the comments. I remember creating this spread and I loved this little corner right here, but I totally messed it up with the days of the week. The titles are way too big and stuff, and I painted it first and then I covered it up, but it didn't cover everything, so I had to make them really big. It was a total mess. So here you can see that I made it very simple. And here I even used my printable, my autumn printable, and I think this really looks cute. This is probably the best way. Okay, so here I made another mistake. I always draw out my mood tracker, my habit tracker, and my calendar and such, and I started with this one before I started my monthly spread. Now, I totally mixed up the pages here, but it was alright. I just had to flip back instead of flipping forward. This was also one of my favorite themes that I did this year. I love the vintage look, and this picture I found in a newspaper years ago and I finally used it. Because the journal was filling up and I didn't have enough space to put every weekly on a spread, I put one weekly here and one weekly here. On to December, this month, the month that we are in right now. This was the first month that I created my own stickers in Procreate on my iPad, and I think they turned out so cute, especially this little house right here. Still have to practice a lot before I can create stickers really easily on my iPad, but I loved doing it. Here are some of them as well, the little bow right here. Of course, this mood tracker isn't filled in yet because it is the 2nd or the 3rd, no, the 2nd of December today. I used the Nutcracker 2 times because I think he's so cute. And as you can see, I just have a few pages left for some weekly spreads in December. And then here we have my word of the year. I always pick a word for every year, or I've done it for 3 times in a row now, I think. And this year it was heal. And I can definitely say that I started my healing journey. As you might know, I have a healing journey series on my channel. I kind of turned this into a mind map as well, so things I can do to heal myself. But I also made this inspiration / law of attraction mood board. I definitely slept more, so that is really good. And did way more self-care. I can really say that I love myself more. This quote says, "Imperfection is a form of freedom." And as a perfectionist, I can really say that this is true. In the past, I've really held myself back in making videos, in doing things, in creating things, because I always wanted it to be perfect. But now I am just doing it, and one of my lessons that I have truly learned this year is you live and you learn. So just live, just do the things you want to do, and things will come on your path that you have to kind of work with and then you learn the things you need to learn. Otherwise, if you keep avoiding the things that you want to do, you are not living your life, basically. The funny thing about this illustration right here is that I picked it because I thought that the girl here was painting a picture or drawing or something, but I only realized a few weeks back that she was drawing on an iPad, and I bought an iPad this year, and I didn't imagine at the beginning of this year that I would do that. So this one really came true. Law of attraction truly works. but of course you have to work on things yourself as well. I also redid a lot of my stickers this year. As you might know, I have an Etsy shop and I like to try out the stickers so I can truly see the quality of them. I also made a page with my accomplishments or things that I did that I find or found scary. And this really helped me with my healing journey as well, because I can truly see how I have developed and grown and kind of overcome part of my anxiety disorder. That was it for my 2020 journal. Now, if you would like to see a flip through of the setup that I made for my 2021 journal, please let me know. I didn't make a video of how I made it, but I still think it is really cool to kind of get ideas and stuff by just watching a flip through video. So let me know if you would like to see that. If you want to get more inspiration and see more of my daily life kind of stuff behind the scenes and such, you can follow me on Instagram. I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you next time. Bye!